On the 6th of July 1967, the Nigerian government officially declared war against the Republic of Biafra. This senseless war has been proved beyond any reasonable doubt that it is a war of genocide directed to wipe out the people of Biafra. Foreign correspondents, church leaders, and other humanitarian organizations have condemned in no mild terms the disastrous atrocities of this genocidal war. Here is what His Excellency left to say.
We in Biafra did not start the war. We fight in self-defense. What we wanted before the declaration of Gawan's genocidal war and what we want now is peace, so that we can proceed with the more urgent and more fruitful task of economic, social, and cultural development of our country. But do we have this peace? No. Because of Gawan's blatant rape of United Nations Convention of Genocide, Gawan conspired with his fellow northern Nigerians to massacre over 2,000 eastern Nigerians in May 1966. This is genocide. Gawan murdered his supreme commander, stole his mantle of office, and proceeded to direct the extermination of army officers and men of eastern Nigerian origin. This is genocide. Gawan plotted and executed the wholesale massacre throughout Nigeria of persons of eastern Nigeria origin in September 1966, killing over 30,000 defenseless men, women, and children. This is genocide. Gawan genocidal acts perpetrated the mass exodus of millions of eastern Nigerians resident in different parts of Nigeria, abandoning all their properties, businesses, and their means of livelihood. This is genocide. Gawan refused to compensate eastern Nigerians who had lost all their properties as a result of his activities. This is genocide. Gawan permitted the wanton destruction of properties, looting, rape throughout those areas of Biafra overrun by his troops. This is genocide. Gawan ordered the forcible transfer of Biafran children from their homes in Biafra to Nigeria. This is genocide. For all these acts, Gawan stands condemned for genocide, a crime condemned by the civilized world under international law, a crime against humanity, a crime against God.
We will.